Welcome again. Today I'm Bernard Ambua with my student Irene Sila. I want to introduce you to how to design this poster. This is a church poster. I want to introduce you on a very short way to design it using Adobe Photoshop. This video is brought to you courtesy of Benlix Media, and it is done just for training. Those people who want to do a bit of Photoshop and they don't know how to go about it, so this is the way to go about it. So welcome to today's class. The class is just starting now. Okay, so I just go direct to my Photoshop. Open new. Want to open new? I'm opening a new document. Now this is an image of what I want to show you how to design. I'll go direct to setting. Sorry, I see my computer is misbehaving. Sorry. So okay, I just use pixel. Use pixel for measurement. Then I will go with 1000 and 1000. I'll put a resolution of 100, and then I'll create. Remember, in the previous tutorials I was able to teach you how to create these things, so I understand that you are not new to Photoshop. Then I'll close this to enlarge my screen. I'll come and create a solid color. Solid color is created here. The solid color is the background color, so I'll just come here and I'll create a solid color. I'll choose, this is where the code of this color, this is the code of this color. So here you can type the code of any color and then you will see it. This is the best way to measure and to keep a certain color. So just type ash 22,000. So that is the code of the color I want to use. So you can use it in whichever area you want to use it. Okay, so I just come here and do what? I'll come here and now start doing my work. The first thing I will do, I will introduce a new box or a new shape. This shape I want it to be of color white. So it is that simple. I'm done with that part. I want to add another shape. This shape will carry that original color of the background, so it is that color, and then I'll do that. After that, I will do what? I will try to introduce a new image. I want to introduce a new image, so I go back to my downloads and carry which image? This image. Of course, I want to use this image, so I'll use this image. I'll put it there, and then I will push it to fit the place I want to use it. I'll tick right to transform it. I will rasterize it to enable me to be able to erase. I'll come and pick my eraser. It is doing a very nice job, so I'll just do it. Just do it like that. I'm satisfied with that background. It is shouting. There's a lot of shouting here. So I'll come here and choose. There are so many options. You can just choose to do with whatever is good for you. But for today, I want to do with luminosity. After that, I'll just come here to download and pick this background. I want to use this photo. This is my own photo, so I have no problem using this photo. I want to minimize it. After minimizing it, I want to do what? I want to transform it. After transforming it, remember this video is done just for the purpose of education, and therefore no business in this tutorial. So I'll just click this image and then I'll rasterize it, and then I'll start doing some smart work. So I'll push it to that end. I'll come direct and add Fundraise, Fundraise. You can just add whatever things you want, but for today I want to use, I have a drive, so that's why I'm using this as a sample of what I want to do. Fees, benevolence. So I'm just but doing something of requesting brothers and friends of Bernard Ombua to do some charity work, and that's why we are having a feast benevolence. And so after that, I'll not do much of editing on my text, so I'll just leave that like that. I want to write welcome. You can just write invite you all, or you can just write you are invited. You are invited. So I come here and change a font. I'm looking for something cool. I'm just looking for something cool. You can just choose in variety of fonts. There are millions in the web, so you can just choose from the millions fonts in the web. So I'm just inviting you as I do the tutorial. Remember, my viewer, I'm also inviting you to my feast benevolence, so that we can be joined together as we make heed of this gospel. So yes, I'm just but trying to create something cool. So I don't mean that is the best color, but there are so many of them here, so you can just choose whichever is good for you. But as I said earlier, I'm just in love with this text. I'm just in love with this text. So I want to use something cool, but you can just use whichever you want. But for me, and today, let me use this one. It will work for me. In another tutorial, I will show you how to use character in Adobe Photoshop. Character is here. This area, I'll teach you how to use this area in Adobe Photoshop. But for today, let me just not interfere with that. So I want to write date, so it will be on 5th. This handwriting is not going good for that, but you can just use any writing. I understand as a graphic designer you have so many of them, you can just use them. But let me just do the copy of what I've told you. Sorry for misbehaving there. Let me just use exactly what I've done on the previous post or on the previous post. So the month is on March, and we also have another person. We also have another beautiful lady inside our office who is Sarah. So Sarah is just close to us, next to us, not watching but playing game here. So remember to say hi on the comments about this, Sarah. Okay. So after that, I'll just do some adjustment. I'll align something here, cool, to make this video cool. Okay. So after that, I'll put 2022. It's just but a tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to teach someone who is interested in Adobe Photoshop and has no idea of how to go about it. I want to do what I want to minimize some things here. You can use any color. Remember, my student, you can just choose to use any color. It will fit for you, which will fit for you. But for me here, let me use white color. So I'll again come here, but before that, let me just introduce a new icon. This icon is for is for the purpose of location. I don't want my visitors who will be coming for the sake of this Arambi to struggle trying to locate the place of Arambi. So I'll just drop that feature and minimize it, put it at the center of that place. Yes, I want it there. So I'll come here and write Sila Gardens. And also to my viewers, remember we had said that the location for this benevolence, this benevolence was scheduled to Viet Gardens, but due to unavoidable reasons and the crowding at the place on the date we changed it to Sila Gardens. There are so many advantages of just hosting this event to Sila Gardens. Number one, you will just enjoy free swimming pool to all those people who will be attending to this fun drive. So if you are a fan of swimming, it is for free for those people who are coming to this drive. So enjoy yourself. Just feel welcome. Just feel welcome. Okay. So if you are come with swimming costume. The swimming part of it should be earlier before we start the main event. So I write here not venue change. This is mainly for those people who had noted Viet Gardens. So we really apologize for any inconvenience made, but due to unavoidable reasons, we changed our venue to this beautiful place. I don't mean that Viet Garden is not beautiful, but for this one Arambe, let us just do it at Sila Gardens. It is a good place. Don't say again the Viet Garden is not a good place, but I encourage you to understand that it is due to unavoidable reasons. So I want to change this color, tutorial color again to the welcome color again to welcome. Remember that whichever things you are editing on Photoshop or your graphics, it is good to use colors which are present in the poster, or it is good to use colors which are very present in your poster. So I don't know whether this is the right thing I've done on the previous post, but just to compare, you can just look on. These are similar work. Although this one, okay, this background is not what exactly my viewer is expecting, so let me change it. But before I change it, the most important thing is to understand that you have to burn your background into luminosity. That will enable you to have a cool background. I'm just privileged to have you and to host you in this tutorial. I'm happy to just drop a Benlix media logo here. Maybe it will bring about some impact for you to know and note that this tutorial was made by Benlix Media, and it was made on the purpose of education. So don't just your message and your whatever on this tutorial. So this was just made for teaching purpose, and for those who want to learn. Not that also this Sila Gardens is located along Kenyoi Road, but we will make a good map way for the same. So this is exactly work that you expected from me. I've been your teacher, Bernard Wambua. I'm taking you through Photoshop. I'm with Irene Sila, who just have a good day. From Benlix Media, bye. You can just like, subscribe. So my students just telling me, teacher, not subscribe and like. Leave us a comment and we will follow you. If you want to download some of our work, let us know and we'll be very happy to assist you. You can email us at info@Benlix Media, or visit our website. This is Benlix Media at .co.ke. For today, have a wonderful time. Bye.